Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist if you trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD pound dollar in front of us right now. The current market price is 1.3536. This is the current market price here. And as we can see that market is right now standing at 50 moving average here. Okay, if you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that I do not focus much on the indicators. But personally, I have observed that 4-hour chart and 50 moving average really works well. Personally, I also use it. So if we observe the chart carefully, then we can see that right now market is standing at the dynamic support of 50 moving average, and more or less this area is also a support zone for the market here. Okay, so therefore, if you want to take a buy position with proper risk management, then you can also take a buy position. But I would like to add one more thing here, that today we have the inflation rate coming up. So if inflation rate comes up, then all we know is that there will be volatility in the market. So DXY is trading in a very narrow range here. I have already discussed in my Euro USD video and gold video, so I do not want to repeat the same stuff. It is trading in a very narrow range here. So during the event, okay, there will be some volatility obviously, and hopefully market will break either the resistance or the support here, and we will get to see some good moves. So in case the news comes out good and market starts, DXY starts going up, there will be some selling pressure on GBP USD, and at that particular point of time you may see a market going down. So that's totally your personal opinion, your personal call whether you want to take the trade or not. I am just telling you that this can be a good trade here, not because we have the support from the 50 moving average, but also this is also the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So we have two factors, okay, that makes it a good trading position. So right now it's your decision totally. But I think that if you take a position also, you can exit during the event or just before the event. Okay, one more thing I would like to add, keep in mind that we have a strong resistance zone on GBP USD at 1.3600, 1.3650. So in case there is a heavy volatility, sharp buying in the market, this should be your take profit target. And if you see selling pressure at this resistance level, if you see sharp price rejection here, you can also take a sell position. Okay, so if GBP USD starts going up, but on the other hand, if pound dollar starts coming down, then 1.3500 will be the support for the market. Okay, this level will be acting as the support for the market. There is a possibility that pound dollar will be bouncing from here. If it fails to bounce, definitely there will be a crash, heavy selling on GBP USD, and you can take a sell position as well. Ultimate support here, but this is far away. I don't think so we need to talk about this level as of now. So keep in mind, this is a good level to buy right now, but your personal decision, because personally I will not be taking any trade today, because I believe that the market is always calm before the storm. so in Hindi we call it as तूफान से पहले की खामोशी. So it's your personal decision. If you want to take a buy position, you can take a buy, but yes, be careful during the news. Okay, and this is your support zone. Good possibility of a reversal. If it breaks it, take a sell position. If market goes up, then we have a high chance of market reversing from this resistance as well. So these are the levels on the chart of GBP USD right now according to my analysis. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comments section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.